can open it now. Open the silver thing first. Daddy's gonna read it to you.
See it? Hold it up so I can see it.
What's it say, Daddy?
It said kids t-shirt.
Turn it around. Let me see. What's it say?
Show us the back.
It says,
It says, I'm the big sister.
Are you gonna be a big sister? Are you gonna be a big sister?
Yeah.
Is Mommy gonna have a baby?
Yes.
Are you gonna give that to the new baby? Will you give the lamb to the new baby when you come visit it at the hospital?
Yep.
You will?
Uh-huh. And I think... Oh!
That's the t-shirt.
Yay!
It says, I'm a big sister.
Yay!
McKenna, you're gonna have a baby brother or sister.
Yay!
Are you excited?
Yay! I'm so excited!
Look at the camera and tell the camera what's gonna happen.
I'm gonna have a baby sister
Or-
brother.
Are you very happy?
Yes! Thank you very much for that, Mommy.